Ever stared at your phone, a knot of frustration tightening in your stomach because you're locked out of your Ally account? Maybe you entered the wrong password one too many times, or perhaps you haven't logged in for a while and security measures have kicked in. Whatever the reason, being locked out of your bank account can feel incredibly stressful. You're thinking, can I even get back in? Is my money safe? Well, you're not alone. It's a surprisingly common issue, and thankfully, Ally Bank, like most reputable financial institutions, has processes in place to help you regain access to your funds. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the steps you can take to unlock your Ally account and get back to managing your money with peace of mind. Before we jump into the how-to, let's understand why these security measures exist in the first place. While being locked out can be inconvenient, these protocols are designed to protect you. Imagine if someone unauthorized gained access to your account. They could transfer funds, make fraudulent purchases, or even steal your identity. Multi-factor authentication, password complexity requirements, and temporary lockouts after failed login attempts are all layers of security designed to prevent such scenarios. So, while it might feel like a hurdle in the moment, remember it's ultimately for your benefit. Now, let's get down to the business of unlocking your Ally account. The exact steps you'll need to take will depend on the specific reason you're locked out. Here are the most common scenarios and how to address them. Scenario 1. Incorrect password attempts. This is probably the most frequent reason for being locked out. You might have simply mistyped your password a few times. Here's what you can do. The Forgot Password option. This is usually the quickest and easiest way to regain access. Look for a Forgot Password or Reset Password link on the Ally Bank login page, either on their website or within their mobile app. Clicking this link will typically initiate a process that involves verifying your identity. This might involve answering security questions you set up when you opened your account, receiving a verification code via email or SMS to the phone number associated with your account, potentially requiring you to enter your account number or other identifying information. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll likely be prompted to create a new, strong password. Make sure it's unique and something you can remember but isn't easily guessable. Consider using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Waiting it out. In some cases, after a certain number of incorrect password attempts, your account might be temporarily locked for a specific period, e.g., 30 minutes, an hour, or even longer. If you're not in an immediate rush, you could simply wait for the lockout period to expire and then try logging in again, being extra careful with your password. However, this isn't always the most efficient solution, especially if you need immediate access. Scenario 2. Account inactivity. If you haven't logged into your Ally account for an extended period, they might have locked it as a security precaution. This is to prevent unauthorized access to dormant accounts. Contacting Ally Bank directly. In this situation, the best course of action is usually to contact Ally Bank's customer service directly. You can find their contact information, phone number, email, or live chat on their official website. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing information such as your account number, full name, date of birth, and potentially other details. They will guide you through the process of reactivating your account. This might involve answering security questions or confirming recent account activity. Scenario 3. Suspicious activity. If Ally Bank detects unusual activity on your account, they might temporarily lock it to prevent potential fraud. This is a proactive security measure. Responding to notifications. If Ally Bank has locked your account due to suspected suspicious activity, they will likely try to contact you via email, SMS, or even a phone call. Pay close attention to any communications you receive from them and follow their instructions. This might involve confirming recent transactions or verifying your identity. Contacting Ally Bank immediately. If you haven't received any communication but suspect your account might be locked due to suspicious activity, perhaps you tried to make a transaction that was declined, contact Ally Bank's customer service immediately. Explain the situation, and they will investigate and guide you on how to unlock your account. Scenario 4. Multi-factor authentication issues. If you have multi-factor authentication, MFA, enabled, which is highly recommended for added security. You might encounter issues if you've changed your phone number or can't access your usual verification method. Backup verification methods. When you set up MFA, you likely had the option to add backup verification methods, e.g., a secondary email address or security questions. If you can access these, use them to verify your identity and regain access. You can then update your primary MFA method. Contacting Ally Bank support. If you've lost access to all your MFA methods, you'll need to contact Ally Bank's customer service. They will have a specific process for verifying your identity and helping you regain access to your account, potentially involving more stringent verification steps for security reasons. General tips for unlocking your Ally account. Go directly to the source. Always use the official Ally Bank website or mobile app to attempt to reset your password or find contact information. Be wary of suspicious emails or links that might be phishing attempts. Have your information ready. When contacting customer service, have your account number, personal identification information, and any relevant details readily available to expedite the process. Be patient and polite. Customer service representatives are there to help you. Being patient and polite will make the interaction smoother and more efficient. Follow instructions carefully. Pay close attention to the instructions provided by Ally Bank, whether online or by a customer service representative. Update your information regularly. Ensure your contact information, phone number, email address, is always up to date with Ally Bank. This is crucial for receiving security alerts and verification codes. Consider enabling multi-factor authentication. If you haven't already, enable MFA for an extra layer of security on your account. While it might add a small step to the login process, it significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Create strong, unique passwords. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for your passwords. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name or one date of birth. Consider using a password manager to securely store your complex passwords. 1. www.mikegingerich.com. www.mikegingerich.com. What not to do. Don't keep guessing passwords. Repeatedly entering incorrect passwords will likely lead to a longer lockout period or even a permanent lock for security reasons. Don't share your login credentials. Never share your username, password, or verification codes with anyone. Ally Bank will never ask you for your password via email or phone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.